You're watching right now in my hand is not a snake, it's actually a data cable. And this is how you can change reality by just using simple prompts with the help of Google Omni Flash. And not just that, you can add anything inside your video and it will appear seamlessly. And not just that, you can add advanced motion graphics that will look something like this example. You can now make epic videos like these, which used to take hours of editing and truckload of money. But anything your video, be anywhere you want and make anyone talk anything. So if all that sounds interesting, then let me show you how I did it. So right now we are inside our Google Flow account and here we have a sample. So in this video, I'm just holding my hand in front of screen and on the monitor that you see behind me, I just displayed a spider image and the prompt that I entered here is very straightforward. And the prompt that I have entered is very straightforward. Here it is. As you can see, there is no technical details added in it. And here is the output. Pretty interesting, right? And in the same way, I just uploaded my video with this data cable and converted that into this green color snake. And once again, the prompt is straightforward. Now let's step up a little bit and let me show you how I created this video. But let me show you the simple one first. So here is a video of this gym girl using this muscle massager and we had this text showing behind her and some icons popping up in front of her. So again, we generated a banner image and then prompted Omni Flash to generate this motion graphic behind the character and the icons in front of her. So the first step is to generate this kind of banner. So I just went into ChatGPT and entered this a little bit detailed prompt, which you will definitely going to find in the free school community that I'm going to link in the video description. So you just enter all the details that you want in your banner and I just generated this one. But I realized that there are too many things in the banner. So I just went down and changed it a little bit. So this was the final banner and these are the icons that I want to show in the video. Now, once you have generated this image, go ahead and copy my prompt and then paste it in a thread of ChatGPT or any other LLM model that you are using. And with the prompt, make sure you enter this detail that you want to analyze this prompt first, and then you will ask further details. Now, what's happening here is that you are entering the prompt and you're asking ChatGPT to analyze this prompt so that you can recreate your own version based on your use cases. So this is going to train your ChatGPT and you will be able to generate any kind of motion graphics with it. Now, whenever I do any prompt analysis like this, I always ask ChatGPT to give this a prompt structure a name so that we can refer it later on. In this case, I just mentioned Omni overlay video. That's why I have mentioned here. And once the ChatGPT is trained on your prompt structure, you can now add the graphic image and simply ask what you want to do with it. Here you can see I have simply added that now write a prompt, do not create an image, because ChatGPT tends to create image as soon as they see any reference image here. Now once you enter the image and add a basic details that how you want to animate this, it's going to throw the complete JSON prompt that you can enter to animate this image as a motion graphic over your video. And all you need to do is come back to Google Flow and for your base video, once you upload it, just add it to prompt, and for the graphic image, again add it to prompt, and here just go ahead and paste your JSON prompt. And you don't have to do anything else. Just make sure that the resolution or the orientation of the video is as per your requirement. And once that is set, just hit generate. And I did 3 versions of it. So you can go ahead and try multiple times and maybe tweak the prompt a little bit. But this is how the result's going to look like. Now here is how I generated the banner for my video, because this one is actually getting popped up as soon as I say that word. So here in the prompt, first I generated the image using my image generator project. So I put all my image generation in a separate project. So that's how I organize my things inside ChatGPT. So this is the prompt. So first I pasted my video transcript like this, and then I asked that I want to create a banner. This will be the main text. And below that, I want icons that will denote these elements. So hours, money, time, location, and something around it. So this was the final banner I got from ChatGPT. And once I got my banner, I jumped onto my Google Omni project, which is already trained with my prompt. And here I just added my banner and then asked simply to again use Omni overlay video prompt structure and generate a JSON prompt for my video using the video transcript below. So again, I'm adding the transcript of my video here. And I simply asked that let me know if there is anything that you need from my end. And because ChatGPT was able to understand that these words are added in the transcript as well, so that's why the JSON prompt I got is perfectly timed with whatever is written in the graphic banner, and it matched that word with my video. And then again, I simply added my graphic and the video inside this prompt agent and pasted my JSON prompt. And here is the final output. You can now make epic videos like these, which used to take hours of editing and truckload of money. But anything your video, be anywhere you want and make anyone talk anything. Sounds interesting? Now here is another example. I generated this typography, which is around a puffer jacket stuff. So this was a complete alphabet list and I used this. So I wanted to use this as the caption fonts for my video. So I simply added my video and the image here. And this was a straightforward prompt. I have added the video transcript and I asked to generate the animation for the transcript that I'm saying. And once I hit generate, this is the final result. Videos like these used to take hours of editing and lot of money, but now you can do that in just a few clicks and a master prompt. Now, this one is not perfect. I would say that it's not actually the typography that I have entered, but it actually nailed the transcript really well. The captions are showing perfectly whenever I'm saying that word. And I think the font may be a little bit detailed. That's why it might have skipped those lines here. So we can definitely try different images and use that as caption. And just to mention, if you don't want to see this ugly watermark here at your Omni videos, you can now jump onto Higgsfield and then go to videos. And here you will find Gemini Omni Flash added here as the video model. All you need to do is do the same thing. Just open this and make sure you are on the Elements tab and just upload your video and image as we just did in Google Flow and simply paste the prompt here. And make sure you select the orientation and time as you wish and then hit generate. And because they are using the API, you will not get any watermark on your videos. So if you don't want to see any watermark on your videos, then make sure you check out the link of Higgsfield in the video description below. So this is how you can create some amazing VFX and motion graphics inside Google Omni Flash. And once again, all the prompts are added inside the school community. You can go ahead and download them and use it as per your workflow. And if you have any questions, then feel free to add that in the video description below or mention that in the school community itself. I would love to help you, and there are a lot of other people who can help you as well.